Architectural engineers have expertise in all aspects of building design, construction, rehabilitation, repair, refurbishment. They interest themselves mainly in the quantitative and scientific aspects of building design. They work with architects whose expertise is more generally in the area of the social and qualitative aspects of building design. They work together with them to make better, more energy efficient buildings.
Our program will be the only program that we know of that has a compulsory inclusive co-op program. In addition to that, we have a studio component, one in each of the 8 academic terms, where during that studio component, the students will integrate all their courses into one project.
During those 2 4-month terms, the students will be in Cambridge studying alongside architects, participating with them on projects and exploring much more deeply the architecture side of building construction than they normally would in another architecture engineering program.
The fact that University of Waterloo has a strong civil engineering program as well as a strong school of architecture makes us very unique to offer such a new architectural engineering program.